and sisters, I love my country and I am proud. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
I too invite Sejal for national news. Sejal. Everyone, I am Sejal from grade 2. I am going to read some national news. First one is India reports 3,300 new cases, 60 deaths in last 24 hours. Delhi and Haryana worst hit. Second one is Atal Tunnel received best infrastructure project award. Thank you. Have a nice day. Like to call Pallavi for international news. Pallavi, please.
Good morning everyone. I am Pallavi from grade 5. I am going to read some international news. First one is Vladimir Putin said Russia had all the tools to respond. Second one is Malaysia reports 2,935 new COVID-19 infections. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now I would like to call Isra for sports news. Isra, please. Good morning everyone. I am Isra from grade 2. I am going to read some sports news. First one, Virat Kohli stepped down from India Test captaincy this year and board of control for cricket in India appoint Rohit Sharma as his successor. Thank you and have a nice day. I would like to call Inaya, please. Hey everyone, I am Inaya from grade 2. I am going to tell you campus news. Our school is going to celebrate inaugural function on 8th May. Thank you, have a nice day. For weather news, I would like to call Kavya, please.
I am Kavya from grade 3rd. I am going to tell you about weather news. First one is North India faces high temperature heat wave to get served in next 5 days. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For GK questions, for that I would like to call Israel, please. I am going to read some Ask GK questions. First one. Who is the author of the book The Buddha and His Dhamma? Options are B.R. Ambedkar, option B. Ruskin Bond, option C. Swami Ramdev, option D. Navin Chawla.
Repeat the question again.
Answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Known as Panchayat Divas. Options are April 22, option B, April 24, option C, May 22, option D, May 24. April 24. Third question. Who is known as the Iron Man of India?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
What is the capital of Nagaland? Nagaland.
Answer is Kohima.
The answer is correct. The answer is correct. In the world.
Blue whale.
Irfa and all.
Isfa and all.
Good morning everyone. Today we are here to present a short skit based on humanity. What you all are doing, kids? Why you are putting these posters on the wall? What is meant by humanity? Some days ago, I was taught a lesson about humanity. My teacher told me that humanity about love. Humanity is about love. But I always found my father is shouting on my mother.
My teachers told me humanity is about gratitude, but I always found my elder brother complaining about I do not have this, I do not have that. My teacher told me that humanity is about truth, but I always found people around me lying. My teacher told me humanity is about generosity, but I always found that my mother is telling we have nothing to give you when a needy came at our door.
My teacher told me humanity is about kindness, but I always saw the cruel behavior of humans towards animals.
My teacher told me that humanity is about sharing, but I always saw people of getting and not willing to share even a single penny. So we conclude that humanity went somewhere, but that's why we are going to in search of humanity.
Yes, you all are right. To help someone in need and trying to help him overcome his sorrow or pain is the real meaning of humanity. Let's go.
As you know, what is the importance of, you saw two things. One was the Labor Day and another one was the importance of humanity. I hope you all will bring this into your lives. Okay? What is humanity? You have seen in the video also. I hope you all will bring this in your lives also. 2-3 things are there which I would like to make today announcements, because we are already late. First thing is, again, regarding discipline. Whenever you will go to your class, the class teachers will make you sit. Okay? No one can claim that this is my permanent place. Whoever comes first will sit in the front, and teachers will make sure that the smaller height students, they sit in the front. Okay? There is no such a permanent seat, and you will not dislodge other person from their seats. Got it? You will consult your class teachers, and class teachers, please make sure that the smaller kids, they sit in the front, so they don't have any problem. And everyone, the class is very small, and I hope no one will have any problem. But whoever comes first will get a preference. Okay? And another thing is regarding your cleanliness and hygiene. This is very important. Earlier also I told everyone to be hygienic. You should cut your nails, hairs, whatever it is, and your class teachers will explain this in your classes. And I will ask the class teachers to make sure that daily you check their nails and all those things. They will explain to you all this. Today, as you know, is the last day of the month, and what do we have on this day? GK icon test. So from here, when you will move to your classes, you will have your GK icon test, and that test will be of 30 minutes only. Okay? In some papers it is written as 45 minutes, but I don't think that much of time is required. 25 to 30 minutes you can finish your test, and after finishing your test you will move to the activity hall for your dance classes. Okay? And one important announcement, Monday and Tuesday will be your holidays. You will come back on 4th, and on 4th the reporting time will be 6:20. 6:20 will be your reporting time. Got it? From 4th. Or confusions? Kids? Okay, I will not take your time, we are already late. So move to your classes, make a line, and then
For your motivation, what